What's up everyone, and welcome to this Binance to bank transfer on how to withdraw money in UAE. So open your Binance app and at the bottom you can see trade. Tap on trade. Then when you tap on trade, at the top right corner you can see the three dashes there. Tap on it, select P2P, and because you want to withdraw money in UAE, you have to find a way to sell your assets and have the buyer of your assets to deposit money into your UAE bank account while you be sending them some crypto. So to do this, you can move from buy to sell because currently we're in the buy mode and we're going to tap on sell. And since we're ready to sell, you can choose the prospective client who have the bank option available. On the right side of each ad, you can see that some of them have more options than others. The first option, however, has more options, so we're going to say sell, and then you're going to tap on select a payment method, which is the second section. Tap on it, then choose the bank you'd like to have your money sent into. If you choose the Al Rajhi Bank, you're going to need to put in your details as you can see right here. And after you've done this, you can tap and confirm to add your bank. Now, once your bank has been added, it will be displayed right here for the prospective buyer of what you want to sell to make a successful transfer. Of course, once you've put in the amount you'd like to have in your bank, you can place order and your ad will be visible to the buyer who will be sending funds to your account and you'll be transferring crypto into their Binance account. So this is how the exchange is made possible, thus helping you to withdraw your money from Binance to your bank in the UAE.